Hello everyone, I'm here today to go over and review the 2K Powerbank Spy Camera. Now let's go ahead and take a look at everything that it comes with first. So of course we have the camera itself. With the hidden lens being right here on the face, this unit offers a very nice sleek design capable of being placed practically anywhere. And on top of that, it doubles as a true functioning power bank. Here's the manual to get the unit set up and going, as well as the USB charge cable. Now let's take a look at how to get it set up on a computer. So we'll start by opening our File Explorer, going to this PC and locating the drive. We'll double click and open up the actual time file here and update this date and time to the accurate as you're seeing now. Once done, go ahead and hit File and Save and then close out of it. From there, once you create a recording, your date and time should be accurate. So now I'm just showing you a couple different recordings that I created on here just as a little demonstration, and I'm briefly going to show you how to download as well as delete them. Alright, so let's take a look at how to get this unit actually set up and going. So on the bottom of it, this panel will actually pop straight off, as you see. Now, that's our micro SD card slot, so let's go ahead and make sure that we put our memory card in there so it has somewhere to save the information. And if ever needed, we have our reset button there as well. So if we close this back up, on the side with the USB, we'll notice we have two little switches. You have a continuous and a motion switch, and your on and off switch. So essentially, just set it to whichever mode you need, turn the unit on, you'll see your indicator lights, and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at this demonstration. This is an example at 10 feet. This is an example at 20 feet. And lastly, this is an example at 30 feet. We hope this information was helpful, and if you appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future review videos.